Welcome to Turn Your Body into a Fat-Burning Machine with Yoga. In this video, we will introduce you to an effective yoga routine that will help you shed those extra pounds, build lean muscle, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's get started. Are you tired of traditional workouts that leave you drained and exhausted? Look no further. Yoga offers a holistic and gentle approach to burning fat while improving both your physical and mental health. Let's explore the amazing benefits yoga can provide to help you achieve your weight loss goals. The practice of yoga involves a series of asanas or yoga poses that promote a healthy body and mind. Certain yoga poses can greatly aid weight loss by increasing your heart rate, stimulating your metabolic system, and activating fat-burning processes within your body. Poses such as the sun salutation, boat pose, and plank pose are excellent examples of yoga postures that engage multiple muscle groups, thus intensifying your calorie burning potential. Through regular practice, these poses will rev up your metabolism, allowing you to burn fat even after your yoga session has ended. Let's explore some specific yoga poses that are highly effective for burning fat and toning your body. These poses target areas such as the abdomen, thighs, hips, and arms, helping you sculpt a lean and strong physique. Poses like Warrior 2, Chair Pose, and Bridge Pose are excellent for engaging large muscle groups, boosting calorie burn, and improving overall strength. Incorporating these poses into your yoga routine will help you develop muscle tone and achieve a firmer, more defined physique. Aside from yoga poses, certain techniques can further enhance your weight loss journey. One such technique is breath control or pranayama. By practicing deep, controlled breathing exercises, you can increase oxygen intake and stimulate your metabolism, aiding in fat burning. Pranayama techniques like Kapalabhati, skull shining breath, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, and Ujjayi breath are powerful tools to regulate your metabolic rate, reduce stress levels, and promote mental clarity. The combination of these techniques with fat-burning yoga poses will make your weight loss journey even more effective. Weight loss is not just about shedding pounds, but also about toning and strengthening your muscles. Yoga is a wonderful way to achieve muscle definition without bulky mass, giving you a sculpted appearance. Poses like downward facing dog, plank pose, and crane pose are excellent for building core strength, toning your arms, and enhancing overall muscle definition. Practicing these poses regularly will help you develop long, lean muscles and improve your posture. Congratulations! By incorporating yoga into your fitness routine, you are well on your way to turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Remember to practice regularly, be patient with yourself, and listen to your body. It's time to embrace the transformative power of yoga and witness the positive changes it can bring to your physical and mental well-being.